Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so today I've been struggling with what look I'm gonna do. I'm trying to pick something off my list and I just like not really feeling it. I'm gonna do like a Christmas look. Maybe just something glam, because I don't really do glam very often. Alright, so first I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape, because my skin's been pretty good recently. My baby hairs are getting so ridiculous. Oh my god, I look so pale. Fuck it, I don't care if I look pale. Alright, I'm gonna take my Colourpop Private Party. It's like a cool toned brown. I'm gonna use my Colourpop blush in Rom-Com because I want to look like I have little rosy cheeks. Now I think I'm gonna do like a pretty carved out brow. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills in ash brown. Alright, now just to make them even more aggressive, I'm gonna use my concealer and my little flat brush. Now onto my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette because it has a really pretty dark red that I always use. And I'm also going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. So I want to do like a red smoky eye with some gold, maybe a cut crease. Maybe not, I don't know. Might do some glitter tears because like who doesn't cry at Christmas?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with my Morphe M153, and I'm gonna take Red Ochre from my Anastasia palette. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with You're Kidding from the James Charles Morphe palette. And just brighten up the red. I think I'm gonna go under my eye with red as well because I want to just keep this cohesive. So I'm gonna go in with Red Ochre and my Morphe E18. Okay, I'm thinking now that I want to do the whole lid red and not do a cut crease, so I'm gonna cover it. Alrighty then, look at that big old smoky eye. So now I'm going to take my little tiny Morphe M213 and take Ring Light and just highlight my brow bone. I think I'm going to put like a gold shimmery eyeshadow in the center and then do like gold glitter tears. Either 1 and 1 or like 2 and 1. I don't know. We're going to get there. So I'm going to use Face from the James Charles Morphe palette on a little pencil brush. now I'm going to take my glitter adhesive from Too Faced, glitter glue. I'm going to take my white eyeliner pencil and just kind of map out. Okay. So now I'm just going to use a couple of these little things on the end of each little tier. I don't think I'm gonna put like a big wing on it, but I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I think I'm gonna wear my Morphe lashes in Hot Stuff. First I'm gonna highlight setting spray. I think I'm just gonna do like a cute red lip, maybe like a red ombre. First I'm gonna put on my lashes. Alright, and now I'm gonna do my lips. So I think I'm gonna do, where is Prim? Like reorganize my shit, now I don't know where anything is. Okay. So I'm gonna use my Colourpop lipstick in Prim for the outside, and then I'm gonna fill it in with Jeffree Star Redrum for like an ombre red. Alright, and the final. Alrighty then. So this is it for my final look. It's like a sad Christmas. Baby didn't get what she wanted. Alright, hope you guys enjoy this little Christmas holiday red and gold look. I really like how it came out, but I feel like I always say that because... Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this more glam look than I normally do. Still not like a basic glam look because, you know, you gotta do something. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!